I've just brought in the syllabus demand of geography. Syllabus for preliminary examination, only one line of syllabus, extending itself into the second line, or I put it this way, only one sentence of syllabus I have, sir. Only one sentence, right? They say it means physical, it means they say India and world geography. Further they classify physical, social and economic geography of India. Apart from these 4 GS plus 1 essay, I also have 2 papers in your optional subject. Am I right? Optional subject paper 1 and paper 2. Right. Totally I have 7 papers, 250 marks each. Totally I have 1750 marks as a total. Now, how many pages of syllabus I have here, sir? How many pages I have? Here, preliminary examination only 7 lines. But when I talk about mains examination, at least 7 pages of syllabus I have. 7 pages. So detailed this syllabus is. So detailed the syllabus is. Now you tell me which one is easy for preparing, sir? 7 pages of syllabus or just 7 lines of syllabus? 7? Still you say 7 pages of syllabus. But how? Why? We'll understand why. For example, I am just taking only the case of geography, GS geography. The features in the worldwide. Right, para 1 is justified. Salient features of world physical geography. Para 2 it says distribution of key natural resources across the world, and within bracket they said including India, including South Asia and Indian subcontinent. Right, only thing is that I am going to study about the key natural reserves across the world. Wherever I have major reserves, landslide has the potential to change the existing landforms along the mountain slopes. Yes, you can include landslide to the degree of disaster, accepted, very good. Flood, fantastic. It means flood is one area, it means one aspect which changes the entire textual meaning of this word called etc. Nothing can be out of syllabus. Very easily you can predict the areas in mains examination. Right. It means last year 2 questions were asked in paper 1. Right. Both were from this word called etc. Flood itself, we have different types of flood. Nowadays we also talk about urban floods. Syllabus, because it means following the syllabus you take the shortest route to achieve your success. Right. Now I understood what it means, how main syllabus being very detailed helps me in my preparation. Right. Now let me analyze to prepare for this. 3 paras, sir, 10 days. 1 line, how many days? 3 days. Out of curiosity I am asking, nothing else. Let me first decode the syllabus first, then we'll take this decision how many days we need. We'll see whether we need a number of days or month or year. Right. Now it says, syllabus says India and world geography. Forget the syllabus first. Let me talk about geography. I have a subject called as geography. What do you understand by geography, geography? Geo. Not at all clear. Not at all clear. So only one way to come out of this means gloomy forest I have. Only one way. If syllabus is not clear, it means you have the habit of referring previous year's question papers. This we call it as a feedback mechanism. Am I right? If syllabus is not clear, at least we will find out what is the favorite area of UPSC. Right. Accordingly, if you believe for preparing the same, what do you do? You still prepare for it. Be rational, be optimistic, you leave it. Because 100% of UPSC syllabus coverage, particularly for preliminary examination, is impossible. First mark what you can have. Adding 1 or 2 marks, even you can write IFS examination also, Indian Forest Service. Qualifying Indian Forest Service preliminary examination is very difficult. Right. But 60, if at all if you are getting 60, there is nothing called safe mark in preliminary examination, because this cutoff is decided by the competition and the degree of toughness of the question paper. Am I right? Every year it changes, right? But whatever may be the case, never it will go beyond 60, at least in your active years of preparation, right? It will not go beyond 60%. So preparing for 80% and trying to get 60% is what I call it as rationality. Be rational in your preparation. Be rational in your preparation. And I'm telling you, it means more than knowledge, what is very important for this examination is the strategies what you deploy. See, certainly speaking, it means compromising the knowledge, you cannot master up the strategies, right? But still, if at all, if you want to execute the knowledge, these strategies are very, very important. Preliminary examination, we have only one strategy to qualify. Mains examination, another strategy to qualify. Strategies are very simple. But only thing is that implement 100 other questions. It means you are solving somewhere around 10,000 questions. Every question has 4 facts, right, including right and wrong. It means you are knowing somewhere around 40,000 facts. 100 question papers, on the face of it, it looks as though it is very, very simple. Am I right? But given the case, I am telling you, it is not at all simple. This 100 question paper you should distribute in such a way that the pillars of GS preparation is covered here. We have few subjects, what we call it as a pillars of GS preparation, foundation. It means time you invest in this area is very, very high. But only one thing is that the greatest advantage, these subjects are not going to change. There is a saying says this way: history changes, not that of geography. What do you mean by it?